You know what I was saying, my husband? I hope our gondola will not, fall in the middle of mountains. Oh my god. Oh, it's nice.
This is nice.
Beautiful. Wow, it's amazing.
We'll try and take some
मुझे डर लग रहा है लेकिन welcome back to the channel and good morning with the new background at the back. Can you guys imagine जो मैं कल आपको explain कर रही थी ना? I'll put the vlog here, my yesterday's vlog in Canmore. Like, can you imagine the Three Sister Mountains are over there? Like, can you see there? So it's just right in front of my Airbnb door. I can see the Three Sister Mountains. So just imagine, I was not knowing this thing yesterday. मैं Canmore के downtown से दिखा रही थी. But I was not knowing that this is in front of my Airbnb. अब तो ये Three Sisters ऐसी हो गई जैसे वो क्वीन में नहीं, वो एफिल टावर उसको हर जगह पे दिखता है, मुझे Three Sister Mountains दिख रहे हैं. Anyway, we are finally going to our final destination, which is Banff. It's gonna be exciting day today because we are gonna do a lot of activities. Lake हम शायद आज ना जा पाए because we have other activities planned for the day. So stay connected till the end of the vlog. See you in Banff. National Park, and the entry fee is kitni Imran? $22
For the family.
For the family, for the group of 2. So you can buy the tickets online and you can get it here. Since it's not a weekend, it's not a long weekend, we are going on a Tuesday. So there is no lineup. We are just going right away. So the pass, we have to get it stick on the windshield. So it's for tomorrow 4 p.m. and it's for $22. So let's just, we got the Banff National Park visitor guide. It has all the information on whatever the places are and it has the maps and stuff. Look at the road, guys. Oh my god. This is the most amazing road ever. That goes from Canmore to Banff directly. And look at the mountain view. Where do we go from here? Unreal. I don't know camera mein I can take the whole thing or no, but actually, like, it's a one-time experience and you have to do it in your life. If you are here in Canada, just take a road trip from Calgary to Banff and it is, it's not amazing. It's the most scenic view ever I have seen. Although मैं कश्मीर से हूँ, I am from mountains already, but this thing is it's really different and it's like, it's amazing. No word for this thing. Imran, how are you feeling driving on this amazing scenic highway?
Feeling good, to be honest. But what I suggest, like, जो person Canada में, right? Throughout the Canada, they should visit Banff once in a while, right? At least once in a year, right? मैं बोलूँगा.
Once in a year, नहीं, मतलब once in a
life तो नहीं, once in a year, location अच्छी है, right? See?
Oh my god, guys, like, I don't know Banff में क्या होगा, वहाँ पे क्या होगा, कैसे activities क्या होएगी, but this drive is like breathtaking drive. Literally, मतलब ऐसे है कि मतलब आईज खुली की खुली रह जाती है. कभी राइट में देखो, कभी लेफ्ट में देखो, कोई माउंटेन स्टार्ट हो रहा है, कोई खत्म हो रहा है. Oh my god, this is so amazing. I don't know the
camera is doing justice.
Yeah, I don't know camera is doing the justice. I think it's showing the 50% of what we are seeing from our actual eyes. And some people are, cycling also on sideways. Like, people are so passionate about traveling and they're so fit also. The people who travel more are very fit. I have noticed that thing. So let's enter the Banff town now. We have I think reached the midway of National, what is that? Banff National Park. So let's see what we have to do in Banff. for that one picture, look at the lineup. And we also have to be a part of the lineup to click a picture over there. So we are finally entering for gondola, which is the Sulphur Mountain gondola. And Imran, yahi se rasta hai na uska?
Yes,
So we are just going straight. So we have already the tickets. You can skip the line by booking tickets online. So we already have the tickets. We don't have to be a part of the line. So we are going directly. 12:20 is the boarding time, but our ticket is 12:30.
So we are 10 minutes early here, once again.
So we are 10 minutes early. Imran, so they click the picture and we can scan it to get the picture.
Yeah, this is the option, right?
Are you ready to go 7,486 feet above?
We have Wi-Fi.
Oh my god, we have a Wi-Fi there? So karo isko click. Oh my god. Oh shit. मैंने last time पता है कब किया होगा ये? When I was a child and Gulmarg में हमने किया ये.
But this is different.
Yeah, that's different. Obviously, this is something very different. Imran, are you excited to go in the gondola?
Yeah, this is different. But this year I'm going for the second time.
First time कब गए?
First in Kashmir.
Oh, I have been to Kashmir so many times, but this is a little different. Not little, a huge different experience. I'm scared because I am not an adventurous person. What about you? Imran is adventurous. For me, it is also not normal. Switzerland में भी ये होता है, but on a very higher scale. But this is Switzerland only. Switzerland something लिखा है वहाँ पे.
I think the company is from.
Switzerland, yeah. Safe होगा ना इमरान? पता चले हमारा गंडोला बीच में गिर गया.
This is not.
In the middle of mountains, I'm shouting. Okay, let me show you from the back camera. How is it actually? For me, I have to do like this in the camera, but for Imran, I have to do like this.
I'm 6'2".
Oh yeah, let me show you from the back camera. So this is the gondola, how it looks like. Oh my god, I am so...
How many guys? 94.
You know what I was saying, my husband? I hope our gondola will not, fall in the middle of mountains. Oh my god. Oh, it's nice.
This is nice.
Beautiful. Wow, it's amazing.
I'm trying to take some
मुझे डर लग रहा है लेकिन just look at the mountains. It just started and we are just crossing. This looks amazing.
I think it's because of wind, I guess.
Oh shit, man! What is happening now?
No, I can't.
I can't see. I can't see.
Welcome to Sulphur Mountains.
We are going Sulphur Mountains.
Yeah, this is Sulphur Mountains.
Shit. My ears are popping a lot.
Yep, they are.
Would you please hold still?
Yeah. Just be stable.
Just be still for us.
This is fun, right? That's the
Imran,
adventure.
don't move. Please don't
That's
move.
the adventure, right?
Joe, don't please. That's not even funny.
We almost there, almost.
Oh shit! What was that?
It's when you go over a tower.
Yeah, I guess.
It's because the roller. That's what it is.
Okay. Okay, we are finally reaching to the Sulphur Mountain. We made it.
It's just like a train ride.
Oh, it's raining. We finally are at the top of Sulphur Mountain. We made it. Are entering the mountain. Oh my god, this is so nice. Welcome to our mountain top, Banff Gondola. So there is the castle, Mountain Coffee, and this is the Sulphur Mountain Broadwalk. Zoom camera, washrooms.
Let's start from this one first.
Observation deck is up.
No, this is not common deck.
Okay, let's go. So guys, we are finally gonna do a broad walk on the mountain. the Sulphur Mountain. Let's record the reaction together. Oh my god. Shit. I don't have words. I swear I don't have words. We are at the top of, we didn't made it to Mount Everest, but we made it to Sulphur Mountain. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, but it's so chill and cold at the same time. Let me show you from the back camera. You're seeing this? Now see this. You know what, Imran? I wanna take a moment and appreciate and Alhamdulillah for this thing. This was so unplanned, and how is it going? Alhamdulillah, I swear, it was the very last. Although it was pre-planned by Imran earlier, but due to my illness, on and off ho raha tha. But trust me, we finally made it, and I'm so thankful, to Allah, Alhamdulillah, for giving us a chance to visit this kind of nature. इतना भी summers नहीं है, but yeah, we are kind of better. It's not that chilly. Otherwise यहाँ पे तो बहुत -40. इस province में -40 होता है winters में. So it's very hard, and survival is यहाँ पे बहुत, यहाँ तो possible ही नहीं है I think winters में आना. और होगा winters में आ सकते हैं. So seriously, I'm so thankful to Allah, giving me a chance to come here, and inshallah one day we'll bring our parents also here. They'll just love it. Love it. You know what, guys? Now we are going to our second destination. Not the destination. The destination is same, but the second point of this Sulphur Mountain, which is right over there. Can you guys imagine? We are actually gonna trek there. I don't know हम कैसे करेंगे. मैंने लाइफ में ट्रैकिंग कभी नहीं की है, हाइकिंग नहीं की है. इमरान, तुमने कभी हाइकिंग की है?
वो तो फर्स्ट टाइम है.
मैंने कभी भी लाइफ में हाइकिंग नहीं की है. पहलगाम का इमरान, that was a baby version of hiking. That was not even trekking ka tea. This is like actually trekking at the top of the mountains. So I don't know how it's gonna go. Let's just go with the flow. People are already going, so we'll be joining. Oh my god, but it's बहुत ज़्यादा extreme top. So let's see how it goes.
Let's go walking.
So people are already going. So we are also following them and going. There's a proper trail, right? So you don't have to worry. अभी तो हम आते भी नहीं है. Oh my god, I need water. I don't know how people do hiking. Obviously वो ऐसे attires में तो नहीं जाते हैं. Oh my god, I'm so done. मेरी watch भी मुझे बोल रही है take a breath because you're not doing your usual activities.
Showing your heartbeat is.
Heartbeat is another level, crossing the levels. क्योंकि वॉच पे बेचारी कह रही है कभी तो तुम ऐसा करती हो नहीं, आज क्या कर रही हो ऐसा. We are not fit, not healthy, we are not fit. Oh my god, वॉच तो बेचारी बार बार मुझे दे रही है वो notifications and warnings that stop. You're not doing what you are doing actually, so you're doing something very different. So that's why your heart palpitation is going up and down. But just look at this. ऐसे लग रहा है मैं जैसे शाहरुख खान नहीं ऐसे होता है. Sorry about that. अगर मैंने शाहरुख खान की तौहीन की, I just tried my level best. Okay, see the view from this point. So this is actually the sightseeing, but it is little risky. And I'm not adventurous. I don't want to take that much adventure. इतना ही काफ़ी है मेरे लिए. So just look at the view. So we are halfway to the top, and just look up here. Oh god. I'm done. We are kind of reaching the top, like 80%.
No,
but
60% I guess.
So how much? 60%?
40% is hanging.
Oh god. I'm done. I don't know. People are so walking fast. I don't know कैसे.
So fit से आराम से हो रहा है.
हम fit नहीं हैं. Indians are not fit for hiking. I can do it. I'm not giving up. I can do it. I can reach the top. So you? Imran is okay. Imran की सांसें भी नहीं ऐसे हो रही. He's normal, but I'm not normal. Oh God! Just look at the people coming back. So guys, we finally made it to the top. Just look at this, because यहाँ पे पूरे mountains and mountains है. And we are so tired because we climbed a lot. Although obviously हमने वो proper hiking नहीं की, but you know stairs भी बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे होता है, tough and all that. For the person who is not fit, who is not much active, it's hard, especially for us Indians. We are not much active. Just look at the whole thing, guys. So guys, let's go back downstairs. अब नीचे जाने में इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, because नीचे जाने में मज़ा आता है. Because stairs चढ़ना is tough, but उतरना is fun. So I think we'll have fun going downstairs now. Imran, how did you like it? 10 on?
100 to be honest.
Okay. For me it was also
But
amazing.
this is the peak, right? of
थोड़ा
the
ऊपर
Summit
चढ़ना
Mountain.
it's little, you know, tough. Not tough, little tough. It's a lot tough. Super duper tough.
I think it should be almost कितना 1.5 kilometer होगा, right?
ज़्यादा ही
I
होगा
guess.
ना.
I don't know.
But it's like obviously we are not doing properly hiking. Stairs की वजह से they have made it super easy for the people to come. So that's why it's like a little bit easier to come upstairs. So let's go back and see you downstairs. So now we are going to the second level, which is the interpretative center. Let's see, what is it? What is that? Wow. Is it the current view?
So this is kind of information, right?
Oh.
And this is we already went, right?
Oh, we visited that. What was that? Sanson's Peak. Oh, हम किसी को बोल तो सकते हैं कि हम माउंट एवरेस्ट तो नहीं गए, लेकिन हम इस Sanson Peak पे गए. Oh, we made it to here. Can you show it again? We made it to the Sanson Peak, and it's 7,490 feet. Oh my God, we made it to the Sanson's Peak.
And go for this is a highway, right? It is. Yeah,
Oh
this is
yeah,
a
Trans Canada Highway.
Canmore to Banff. What is this?
Click करना इस पे. Mount Borgu. What is this? Different types of things, right? So let's go. What is that, Imran? Come from this side. It's good.
Over here. See? Grizzly bear.
So that's the theater we are entering. I don't know what's inside. Let's see together.
Titanic movie.
Titanic movie तो नहीं होगी.
Something about history.
I don't know. Let's see. Oh my God! What an incredible experience it was. 5-10 minutes के लिए था, but it was awesome.
Okay, but the shorts are amazing.
Yeah, they are showing like what Alberta is looking back in 1950s and अब कितना difference है. They're showing the downtown Banff 50 years back and downtown
They
Banff
show
now.
all the weather.
Development and
winter
you know,
weather.
मतलब enhance हुआ है. Every like you know, Canada developed obviously in the last 10 years a lot. And if you want to see what we saw, let me show you. So now we are going to the 4th level. That's the last level. It's the rooftop observation deck. Let's see what's inside.
Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here?
The last floor, the floor 4th, and यहाँ से भी दिख रहा है. All the mountains are everywhere, you know. किसी भी side से जाओ, it's full of mountains. So let's see. Oh, it's kind of a patio thing. Peak patio. Beautiful pictures.
Come, I'll show you one thing.
What? What do you want to show? Oh, अच्छा जो हमने नीचे क्लिक की थी. Clear, clear, clear.
Okay. Scan below the photo, okay? The barcode, I guess. It's not reading the barcode.
Oh yeah, it's scanned, scanned. Done कर दो.
Okay, done.
Ta-da! Oh my god! Oh wow, this is good. ये अच्छी है. Shit man. Oh. पर इन्होंने बीच में इसको ऐसे किया हुआ है ना, so that मतलब हम. Oh my god, what is this? अच्छी लग रही है ये वाली भी ना.
This is nice, see?
Oh god, this is nice. Because obviously हम क्यों ले? क्योंकि हमने ये वाली क्या है? ये वाली अच्छी है. ये वाली क्या है?
This is 360.
Oh.
DS है बच्चे से गंडोला में.
This is good. Let's go back to Gondola. कहाँ से यहाँ से जगह? Bye bye mountains. See you next time. So now we are going back and जाने के टाइम में मुझे इतना डर नहीं लग. Oh. जाने के टाइम में मुझे इतना डर नहीं लग रहा है. Hopefully आगे भी नहीं लगेगा because I'm kind of chilled right now. Okay. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. Relax. ये तो ज़्यादा डर है.
Where do we go from here?
So guys, finally we have landed back. Not landed, kind of landed, yeah. Back from the mountain, Sulphur on ground floor. It was super duper amazing experience. And let's shop now some souvenirs. So we have all the collections of your sweatshirts of Banff, or if you want to take the t-shirts as well. And the t-shirt price is $30, but you can get one and second item 50% off. So now back from Sulphur Mountain directly to Banff downtown. So we are having our lunch in Boston Pizza. So Imran is already sitting over there with the reservation. Oh my god. Imran, you got a good spot. Mountains के सामने lunch करना है आज. Breakfast, lunch, dinner in front of the mountains. You know what guys, this is a lifesaver for the people who like spicy and who are living out, you know, in North America, like कहीं भी North America में जो भी रह रहे हैं, because no matter how much spicy you say them, they don't do it. So they give this. So I just love this Tabasco. So guys, we are done with our lunch and now it's time to explore the downtown of Banff. You can see the background. The streets are so colorful and you can get all the good food and the souvenir shops here. So let's explore the downtown Banff together. The downtown walk is really fascinating because बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें देखने को मिल रही हैं and there are so good options to see here. So it's little good, full of eateries and souvenir shops. So and there are a lot of shops मैंने यहाँ पे notice की gems की and rocks की. I can show you from the back camera. Wait, and they are so damn expensive. Let me show you. All these stones. Oh my god. I don't know ये कुछ होते हैं specific stones. I have zero knowledge about all these minerals and you know. But it's really good and the shops are so decorative. Cow's ice cream. What is that?
Yeah, this one. This one. This is one of the most trending one.
Let's go for the trending one. हम लोग वैसे भी इतना unhealthy खा रहे हैं, so let's have the and you can see the view from there. Okay, let me show you. So that's the mountain. This is the Banff downtown, and now we are going to that. That's the Cow's ice cream. I don't know. Imran is saying it's the best thing. They have a lineup, so definitely it's gonna be one of the best ice cream because मेरा ऐसा experience है जहाँ पे भी lineup होता है ना, that place is super duper amazing. So let's see how the cow ice cream is. But where does it say cow's ice cream, Imran? Where does it say cow? Oh, this is. So you have toys inside also. Let's see what the hype is about.
I need chocolate.
I'll go with double chocolate cheesecake, and you
go
want?
with Fiba mango as well.
No, I like chocolate. Why should I go with mango?
Mango and messy.
Messy. Yeah. No, I'll go with the double chocolate cheesecake, and for you it's chocolate. 1 scoop or 2 scoops? One.
One scoop is good.
In the cone, right?
Yeah, in the cover.
No, thank you so much.
Yeah, this.
Oh my god, look at the cow things here. यहाँ पे socks पे भी cow है और कपड़े भी cow है. Oh my god, this is actually a cow shop. इमरान यहाँ के कपड़े भी cow है and every damn thing is
They are
cow
promoting
related. Socks पे भी cows बनी हुई है. Oh my god, this is an actual cow shop, cow ice cream place.
Everything is cows.
But let's try the ice cream, guys.
Let's hit some.
We are finally trying the ice cream from the cows. So guys, I am finally wrapping up today's day and it was a truly stunning day. But I am even more excited for tomorrow's adventure, which is unforgettable. Stay tuned, trust me, you won't want to miss it.